Hey there, plant-powered pals. Welcome to another episode of Healthy Vegan Living.
That's right, you've got John, the guy who thinks tofu is a type of martial art. Move.
And Gary, the dude who believes kale is a magic superfood that can solve all of life's problems.
Today we're diving into the best vegan blogs to follow.
That's right, folks. We scoured the internet, read endless recipes, and survived a few too many kale smoothies to bring you the creme de la plant-based creme.
Whether you're a seasoned herbivore or you're just here to have an avocado toast, we've got something for everyone.
First up, we have the Vegan Virtuoso. This blog is run by a guy who can turn any vegetable into a gourmet meal. Seriously, he once made a carrot taste like a steak.
And don't forget plant-based pranks. This one for those of you who like a good laugh with your legumes. Ever seen a broccoli prank video? Neither had we until now.
Then there's Kale Yeah. This blog is like a love letter to kale. Smoothies, chips, even kale ice cream. Yes, you heard that right, kale ice cream.
And our personal favorite, Tofu Titans. If you've ever wanted to see tofu transform into a work of art, this is the blog for you. Tofu swans, tofu dragons, you get the idea.
So, whether you're here to learn, laugh, or just get some epic food inspiration, stay tuned.
Let's get into it, folks. Prepare your taste buds and funny bone. This is Healthy Vegan Living.
Let's get veggin'.
I wanted to share my own techniques for learning to cook and create and inspire others to embrace veganism and plant-based eating. It's not sufficient to just have a podcast or a YouTube channel. I needed to explain how I address this challenge. What are the best vegan blogs to follow? Here are some that offer unique recipes, insights, and inspiration.
1. Postpone Kitchen. Founded by Isa Chandra Moskowitz, this blog is known for its fun approach to cooking and deadpan humor. It features accessible ingredients and hearty portions. The most intriguing recipe is seitan nejimaki. 2. Olives for Dinner. This blog blends creativity and passion, offering innovative vegan recipes with compelling flavor combinations and visually engaging photography. The most intriguing recipe is vegan gochujang cauliflower. 3. The Full Helping. Gina Hamshaw's blog focuses on wholesome food with beautiful and insightful writing. It encourages compassion and provides nourishment. The most intriguing recipe, Moroccan-inspired sweet potatoes. 4. Rainbow Plant Life. Created by former attorney-turned-food blogger Nisha, this blog offers lush vegan recipes and plenty of videos to help you master vegan home cooking. The most intriguing recipe, Gobi Manchurian. 5. School Night Vegan. Known for its silly personality and severe cooking, this blog offers a variety of vegan recipes that are both fun and delicious. 6. Oh She Glows. Angela Liddon's blog features hundreds of crowd-pleasing vegan recipes. She is a New York Times best-selling cookbook author and award-winning recipe app creator. The recipes are designed to be accessible for both beginners and experienced cooks. Her most intriguing recipe is a whole-grain vegan carrot cake loaf with lemon glaze. Website, ohsheglows.com. 7. Minimalist Baker. This blog is loved for its simple, quick, and delicious vegan recipes, which often require 10 ingredients, 1 bowl, and 30 minutes or less to prepare. This blog is perfect for beginners due to its straightforward and easy-to-follow recipes. Website, Minimalistbaker.com. 8. From My Bowl. This website offers a variety of vegan recipes that are easy to make and perfect for everyday cooking. The blog focuses on simple, wholesome ingredients and provides clear instructions, making it ideal for beginners. The website is called fromybowl.com. 9. Vegan Richa. Richa's blog is known for its extensive collection of vegan recipes, including many Indian-inspired dishes. The blog provides detailed step-by-step instructions and photos, making it easy to follow along and achieve great results. The website, veganricha.com. 10. Cheap Lazy Vegan. Rose's blog promotes a vegan lifestyle that is easy to make vegan recipes, perfect for those new to veganism or looking to save money. It features simple and delicious recipes perfect for those new to veganism or looking to save time and money. The website is cheaplazyvegan.com. 11. It Doesn't Taste Like Chicken. Created by Sam Turnbull, this blog offers a wide range of vegan recipes that are simple, delicious, and perfect for everyday cooking. The recipes are easy to follow, making it a great resource for beginners. The website is called itdoesn't-taste-like-chicken.com. 12. Love and Lemons. Janine Donofrio's blog features healthy, whole food, vegan, and vegetarian recipes with beautiful photography and engaging writing. Bright, cheery photos and step-by-step guides accompany the recipes. The most intriguing recipe is grilled potatoes. The website is loveandlemons.com. 13. World of Vegan. This blog focuses on fully vegan comfort food recipes that are simple and easy to make, perfect for busy lifestyles. 14. The Plant-Powered Dietitian. Sharon Palmer's blog offers 100% plant-based recipes, how-to cooking guides, nutrition blogs, and sustainable living tips. Sharon is a registered dietitian nutritionist with an advanced degree in sustainable food systems.
These blogs provide a wealth of vegan recipes, cooking tips, lifestyle inspirations, simple everyday meals, innovative dishes, and health-conscious recipes. These blogs are an excellent resource for anyone interested in plant-based eating. What are the best vegan blogs? Determining the best vegan blogs can be subjective, as different blogs may cater to different preferences regarding recipes, writing styles, photography, and overall presentation. However, here are some popular vegan blogs.
The Vegan Stoner. This blog features illustrated, budget-friendly vegan recipes that are easy to follow and visually appealing. Hot for Food. Created by Lauren Toyota, Hot for Food offers indulgent, comfort food-inspired vegan recipes for those craving familiar flavors. Pickup Limes. Run by Sadia Badi, Pickup Limes focuses on wholesome, nutritionally balanced vegan recipes, wellness tips, and lifestyle content. My New Roots. Founded by Sarah Britton, My New Roots features whole food-based vegan recipes emphasizing seasonal, plant-based ingredients and natural sweeteners. The First Mess. Created by Laura Wright, The First Mess features vibrant, seasonal vegan recipes that highlight the beauty and flavors of whole plant foods. Fork and Beans. This blog, created by Cara Reed, specializes in allergy-friendly vegan recipes, particularly those free from gluten, dairy, and other common allergens.
These blogs are just a starting point. Many more excellent vegan blogs cater to various tastes and preferences. Exploring the different blogs can help you discover new recipes, cooking techniques, and inspiration on your vegan journey. Which vegan blogs have the very best step-by-step cooking guides? Here are some cooking guides.
1. Minimalist baker, known for its simple, quick, and delicious vegan recipes that often require 10 ingredients or less, 1 bowl, or 30 minutes or less to prepare. The blog provides clear, step-by-step instructions that make cooking accessible and enjoyable. Website, minimalistbaker.com. 2. The Full Helping. Gina Hamshaw's blog focuses on wholesome food with a generous side of gorgeous and insightful writing. The recipes are always shot brightly and cleanly, with step-by-step instructions that make the food feel accessible. The website is thefullhelping.com. 3. Plant-Based RD. Written by a registered dietitian, this blog offers nutrition advice and practical tips, such as how to shop as a new vegan. The site has recipes that center whole plant foods on the plate, with clear and detailed instructions. Website, plantbasedrdblog.com. For Nora Cooks, Nora offers excellent recipes and many tips and tricks about being vegan as a family. The blog includes step-by-step instructions and photos to guide you through each recipe, making it very beginner-friendly. The website, noracooks.com.
These blogs provide detailed step-by-step cooking guides and beginner-friendly recipes that make it easy for anyone to follow along and create delicious vegan meals. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, these resources will help you master vegan cooking with confidence. Are there vegan blogs that cater to beginners with simple ingredients? Here are some of the best options.
1. The Simple Veganista. This blog shares approachable, real food vegan recipes that are easy to make and surprisingly healthy. It uses mostly whole food plant-based ingredients. It's perfect for beginners looking for simple and delicious vegan meals. The website is simple-veganista.com. 2. Simple Vegan Blog. This blog offers delicious plant-based recipes that are easy to make, family-friendly, and loved by vegans and non-vegans alike. It features a variety of dishes perfect for everyday cooking. Website, simpleveganblog.com. 3. My Vegan Minimalist. This site focuses on approachable, beginner-friendly, and easy-to-customize vegan recipes. Each recipe has step-by-step photos and helpful expert tips to ensure success on the first try. The website is myveganminimalist.com.
These blogs provide a wealth of beginner-friendly vegan recipes that use simple ingredients, making it easy for anyone to start their vegan journey. Whether you're looking for a quick meal, budget-friendly options, or step-by-step guides, these blogs have you covered. Tune in to our next episode. Bonus book review: The Secret to Ultimate Weight Loss by Chef AJ with Glenn Mercer.
Thanks so much for tuning into the podcast. We really appreciate you listening and can't wait to have you back for our next exciting episode all about veganism.
Could you please consider supporting my podcast? If you enjoyed this episode, you could contribute by gifting $5. Alternatively, you could donate through the Buy Me a Coffee website. The address can be found in the show notes. Your support means a lot.
Our podcast's intro and outro music is Beautiful Days by Darren Birch from the album Minimalist, the best of Darren Birch, instrumental songs, released by Danmark Music Group on March 4th, 2019. Darren Birch Music. My disclaimer: I aim for accuracy and embrace continuous learning. My views are evidence-based and open to feedback. This content isn't medical advice. Consult your physician. This disclaimer applies to all contributors.